Good morning, students. Now, today we will start our revision of our unit test 2 and today we will take one maths revision. First, we will start from MCQ. Here, I written few MCQs 1 to 11, but their options are not written here because we will prove it. We will find that which answer will come here. We will see. Because sometimes students don't know each answer and directly they can write that answer there. But first of all, in MCQ definitely you will get right answer whenever you do its calculation properly. Then you can get it right answer easily there. So here, that's why I have not written here all options here. So see this, we will take this first numbers MCQs. In this first number MCQs, here 10,000 written. 10,000. So here 10,000 written. In another method, how can I denote this 10,000 in exponent and power form? In exponent power form, simply here 10,000 given, so simple we have to write here 10. And how many times 0 came? We have to see this. How many times 0? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 10 raised to 4. Suppose here 10,006 given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 0. Simple, we can write here 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write 10 raised to 6. In this power and exponent form, we can say 10 is as a base and 4 is a power. And we can read this way, 10 raised to 4. Here 10 is base, 6 is power. 10 raised to 6. So in short form we can denote it this way. Now here 5 raised to 4 given. So in this 5 raised to 4, what is the value of 5 raised to 4? So simply 5 raised to 4 means 5 raised to 4 means we have to write 5 4 times. 5 multiplication with itself number 4 times. So simple, see 5 raised to 4, so we will write 5 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 5 raised to 4 means we have to write 5 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Now we will do multiplication. 5 5s are 25, 125, 625. So this is the value of 5 raised to 4. Understood, beta? Suppose 2 raised to 3 given. That means we have to multiply 2 3 times. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. Here 5 raised to 4 given. That means we have to multiply 5 itself number 4 times. 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. 5 5s are 25. 25s are 125 and 125s are 625. So 5 raised to 4 value is 625. This expanded form. Now here see 2 cube multiply 3 cube. In this question we can observe these both bases are different. Yes, but we have to observe that powers are same. So simple, we have to take out this power as a common. 2 multiply 3, 2 multiply 3 is common. So we have to take out 3 common. Once again, here both bases are not same, so we have to observe their powers. 3 is same. Yes, so that means we have to take out 3 common from here. So 2 multiply 3 and whole raised to 3. 3 2s are 6. So answer is 6. Clear, beta? Now see, this is very important. Suppose number -1 raised to this blank given. Which blank equal to -1? So we know, students, if base sign minus given and its power is an odd number. That means we have to put minus sign in answer. But power is positive. Power is positive means even number. Sorry, power is an even number. That means we have to remove minus sign in answer. So simply these two fundamentals are very important. Even number, remove minus power. Odd number, put minus sign in answer. So here we got answer. Given answer minus 1. And we know 1 raised to any power we put, answer will come always 1. So here same answer minus 1. Which answer I can put here, then the answer will come minus 1. So from this option I written here some option here, because odd numbers and even numbers both are infinite. So which number we can put here we don't know. That's why I written this option here. So simply this which minus answer we require here, minus answer we require. So minus answer, that means in short we have to keep in our mind. In short, I have to put odd number in its power. Odd number I have to put in its power. 20 is even number, so we should not put this. 30 is even number, should not put. 51 is odd number, yes. 50 is even number. So which is even number from this option? Yes, 51. That means we have to put 51. And minus 1 is to 51. Minus 1 self number. Okay, students, minus 1, sorry, 1 raised to 1 raised to, see, raised to another 1. Minus 1 raised to 2020. So this 2020 is even number. So answer will come positive. But now minus 1 raised to 2021. This is odd number. So our answer will come minus 1. Clear? Minus 1 raised to 2020. That means this even number power. So minus sign is removed from the answer. But in 2021, 21 is odd number. So we have to put minus sign in answer. Same concept. 51. This 51 is an odd number. So minus sign will come in answer. But if I put 20 here, then answer will come 1. 30 put 1. 50 put I, then answer I will get 1. So in short, here is one formula. Minus base given and its power is even number. That means we have to remove minus sign in answer. And minus sign in base minus sign given, negative given and its power odd number. That means we have to put minus sign in answer in any case. Now this tip number 3 raised to 6. Divide 3 square. Yes, in this case we can observe both bases are same. So we have to apply our formulas of division formula. In multiplication formula we know same base, multiplication, sum of their powers, and in division rules. In division rule we can apply the same base, division, subtraction of their power. Here division means we have to do subtraction. Same base, division, subtraction of their power. See, 3 subtraction 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4, and big term sign is plus 6. So our answer is 3 raised to 4. Sometimes we have to find its value, so we can find its value easily. 3 raised to 4 we have to write 4 times. 3 is a 9, is a 27, is a 80. So maybe in option 81 given, no problem. We have to find its value and get its answer. Here, this third number, power on power. Power on power means simply we have to do multiplication. 3 2s are 6. Here. In this case, less than, equal to, greater than or greater than equal to this type of option given. So first we will find left hand side value, then we will find right hand side value, and we compare this both value, which value is greater than and which value is less than and equal to, we will verify. So first we will simplify and find its value. 5 square multiply 3. That means 5 square means we have to multiply 5 times. Multiply 5 further 25 and this 25 is the 70. So answer is 75. Okay, no problem. And here 5 square and 3. So power on power, 3 2s are 6. So 5 will come 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Now let's do multiplication. 5 5 is 25, 25 is 125, 125 is 625, and 625 is 5 5 is 21, 2, 3 1 2 5, and 5 is again we multiply with 5. 5 5 is 25, 5 is 21, 5 plus 15,625. Okay, 15,006. From this both values we can compare. This value is greater than this value we got 75. This value we got 15,625. That means in short we can say this value is greater than this small value. So we have to put this sign here. This small value. So this value is smaller than this value. So less than. Okay. Now number 8, the standard form of 345.6 decimal. Yes, point given here. What meaning of standard form? So standard form means we have to remove that point decimal value and put after replace with place and put after one digit. Then it will convert into standard form. So in this case we can observe point value is given here, but we require, according to standard form, we require this point value after one digit, means after 3. So how many digits we have to go left side? In this case point is here, that means we have to go left side. How many digits we have to go left side? 1 and 2 digits. How many digits? 2 digits. So 3.456. How many digits? 2 digits. 2 digit left side plus. So rule, left side means positive, right side means negative. Clear? Right side, left side means we have to keep power positive, and right side we have to keep power negative. Understood? Now this 3 4 5 6 1000. Yes. Now see this same number 9, the standard form of 1 2 3 4. In this case we can observe a decimal point value not given. That means we have to understand point given in last. So maybe point here we have to convert this 1234 into standard form. So we have to remove this last point and put after one digit. That means it will come after 1. So how many digits we have to go left side? How many digits? 1 2 3. So our answer is 1.234 multiplied times 2. Is it clear better? Now this 1 lakh given, simply 1 lakh. So how many times? 1 2 3 4 5. 10 raised to 5. 10 is base and 5 is power. Here 8 2 raised to 5. 8 2 raised to 5. In 8 2 raised to 5, how can we denote this 8 2 raised to 5? So here simple, power on power. Power on power simple equal to multiplication. 2 5 is power on power means multiplication. 2 5 is 10. If you want to go ahead, then you can go ahead, no problem. 8 means 2 cube. If we want to keep as a base 2, then we can convert this 8. 8 means 2 cube. 2 to the 4 to the 8. So in place of 8, we can write 2 cube and its power given 10. So power on power again 3 10s are. So 2 raised to 30 is the right answer. Now in 12 number MCQ, we can observe that 4 is to 4 divided 2 is to 4. Both bases are not same. So first of all we have to make them equal, same. Means there is 4, here the 2. So we have to put 2 there. We have to transform this 4 into 2. So 4 means 2 2s are 4. So we can write 2 square. So in place of 4, I can write 2 square. So 4 2 square and this power is 4 divide 2 raised to 4. Clear? 4 2s are 8 divide 2 raised to 4. Now both bases same. You can observe here both bases are same because 4 we convert into power. So 4 power, if we convert this 4 into exponential form, then we can write 2 square. Same is division, subtraction of their power. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. Is it clear? Very easy. Now see, here. In both cases, we can observe minus 10 raised to 6 divide minus 10 raised to 5. Both bases are same, so that means it is easy. And division sign different. So our second number, same base, division, subtraction of their power. Multiplication, then we have to do addition. Division even, that means we can do their subtraction. Same base, division, subtraction of their power. 6 minus 5 and 6 minus 5 1. Yes, and 1 power, that means itself 1 power. So answer is minus 10. Here answer 2 raised to 4. Yes. Now 14. Yes, this is important one. In any base, power is 0. Whenever we observe any base given and its power 0 given, that time we have to don't do other calculation, more calculation. Only you have to write there 1. Simple answer. Any base power given 0, so its answer will come always 1. See, in this 3 raised to 0 means 1, plus 2 raised to 0 means 1, and 3 raised to 0 means 1. 1 plus 1 2 multiply 1 2 2 2 1 is it? 3 raised to 0 means 1, 2 raised to 0 means 1, 3 raised to 0 means 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 multiply 1 2 plus 1 2 multiply 1 2. Yes. In 15 now, very simply we will apply that our rules. Which number we can apply division here, that means second number, same base, division, subtraction of that power. But whenever subtraction we have to do and more terms given, that times we have to write last terms into bracket because we have to change its sign. That's why we have to see the same base, division, subtraction of the power. A plus B. A plus B, division is minus, and this term. So we have to write in bracket. Here. Same base, division, subtraction of the powers. A plus B, division means minus, and I written in bracket. Why? Because more than 2 terms given. 2 or more than 2. That time we have to write in bracket. Whenever outside sign will be there minus, then after we have to put in bracket because we have to change inside bracket sign whenever we use minus sign. See, 5 A plus B minus and A minus. Now we will change this bracket. We will remove this bracket. Whenever we remove this small bracket, that time we have to change inside bracket sign. Plus will become minus and minus will become plus. First simple we will write A plus B, minus will go inside. Here no one sign, that means plus. Plus will become minus and minus will become plus. Now which are like terms, we can cancel it, plus minus whatever. A plus minus. Yes, same. Like terms. 1 plus 1, 2. So answer will be 2. Now next fill in the blanks. Number 1, the exponential form of 10 multiplied by itself 5 times. So the exponential form of 10 multiplied by itself 5 times means 10 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 times. So in exponential form we can write this 10 raised to 5. Here 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. How many times 2 came here? 1 2 3 4. So we can write 3 raised to 4. Square of 5. Square of 5 square. Cube of 7. Cube means 3 and square means 2. Cube. 7 cube. In 3 raised to 12, blank is the base. 3 raised to 12. 3 as a base and 12 is the power. So 3 has base. 3 is the base and 12 is the exponent number. Is it clear? Now here 2 raised to 4 given. 2 raised to 4 given, that means we have to multiply 2 4 times. 1 2 3 4. Simple. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 2 cube. 2 to the 4 to the 4 to the 8. 3 square. 3 3 is 9. 2 raised to 8. 2 multiply 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 2 to 8 times. So answer is 256. 8 square. 8 multiply 8. 8 is 64. The value of 2 cube multiply 3 square. So 2 cube value we know. 2 cube is 8 and 3 square value is 9. 9 is 40. Yeah, this is important. If 2 raised to n equal to 32, then n equal to blank. So simple. See, 2 raised to n and 32. So we don't know that 32 factors. 16 to the 32, 2 8 the 2 4 the 2 2 the 2 How many times 2? 1 2 3 4 5. 2 raised to 5. Now both bases are same and equal to sign. That means we can compare their base and power also. So n value we can get here. Therefore n value is 5. Yes, so n value we can take 5. A raised to 0. Any base power given 0. That means its answer will come always 1. 3 raised to 4. So we will do multiply minus 3, multiply minus 3, multiply minus 3 and multiply minus 3. Simple. 3 is 927, 3 is 81. Yes. But minus sign we have to put yes or no. So for that we have to see its power. Even number, remove. Odd number, put minus sign. 4 is even number. So don't put minus sign in answer. Simply 81. It's valid. 2 cube. So 2 square. 2 square is 4. 2 square is 2 to the 4. Power. Even number, remove minus sign. 3 cube. 3 is 9 is 27. And odd number. So minus sign. And 27 4 is 7 4 is 20. 4 2 is 10. And minus sign 1 time. So we will put minus sign there. Okay. So this answer. Now here this rule. So this outside related power we have to distribute the upper side and the outside both side we have to distribute in numerator and denominator. Here 1.5 multiply 10. So simply unit and tens. So downside 10 and 100. 10 square means 100. 0 0 plus 1. So answer is 150. So students, here we completed our 1 minus fill in the blanks and MCQs. I hope you watch this video properly and revise your revision here. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.